So today parliamentarians are going to be rallying a car rally for Save Our Tigers, and here's someone else who's been very visible in the campaign, NDTV's campaign as well. Thank you, Baiching, for being a part of it again. Why do you feel so strongly for this cause?
I think it's, I've been associated with this cause for over 2-3 years now, and the great thing is that I think it's the numbers of tigers have gone up as well in the last 2-3 years, and it's something which is very close to my heart as well. And it's great that you've got MPs here, because they're the ones who's going to decision makers, and I'm sure bringing them here and getting associated with this campaign is definitely going to help the campaign itself.
I know the parliamentarians, we usually see them fighting in parliament, so today it's great to see them coming together for this common cause.
Yes, I think it's very, very important, and I think it's very, very nice of them to come and come, because as I think India is very proud to have tigers, and tigers are known all over the world because in India we have the tigers here. So I think it's important that we try and educate people. MPs can go back and try and educate them in their areas where tigers are there, and educate people and make sure that we save our tigers, because it's a beautiful animal, and I think not just us, but I think our future generation gets the privilege to see them.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for being with us. So Baiching Bhutia here supporting Save Our Tiger campaign, and of course the MPs too rallying today for Save Our Tigers. This is Gargi Rawat for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.